Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are using Trust Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies, knowing how to find your wallet address is crucial, especially when receiving funds. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of finding your wallet address in Trust Wallet, ensuring you are ready to send and receive crypto with confidence. First, start by opening the Trust Wallet application and logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section and select the cryptocurrency for which you want to find the wallet address. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will see the option to receive funds. Tap on it, and your wallet address will be displayed. Copy this address to share it with others. And that's how you find your wallet address in Trust Wallet. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.